go to RHy&x.com.
What a beautiful day in Indian Trail. Got brand new lots from Stanley Martin, as well as Eastwood homes, quick move homes. If you've got kids out this way, this could be a no-brainer for you. I'm meeting Rodney Jones. Oh, he's here already. Okay, we're going to take a look at this beautiful Stanley Martin home. Rodney, this one seems like a really good value on lot 152.
You know, Roger, it is, and Stanley Martin's done quite the job here at Heritage. Heritage has a 55-plus community and has actually 3 builders, so Stanley Martin, Eastwood, and MI Homes.
Well, MI did not build in the 55-plus, if I'm remembering right.
You are correct. So Eastwood and Stanley Martin have the 55-plus, which, as we know, entails the activities director and amenities.
Wait a minute. I feel a magnetic pull to that light at the rear. Can we go back there first?
Absolutely.
Now this vaults up really nicely, doesn't it?
It does. It goes from 9-foot to 11-foot ceilings.
Wow.
And look at that kitchen. We'll take a closer look.
Beautiful.
But I'm with you, outdoor living at a premium here.
Well, this one's got an upstairs and a bonus room. You know, one thing, Patty, although we've got 3 bedrooms, oh man, wait a minute. You got a grilling porch, put a little outdoor table with an umbrella there. You got a couch and some chairs. But Rodney, what is it that very many of your clients really want relative to a lot?
If I get this request once, I get it all day long. I want a premium private wooded lot. I don't want to stare into the back of another home.
Rodney, this is perfect. How much is this one?
Yeah, this is listed at $480,000. And this would be ready, we're in October, it'll probably be ready in November or December. It looks like they're putting the finishing touches on it.
Wow, and it's a white kitchen. So many people love that white kitchen. But what I was gonna say, my wife, we bought a 3-bedroom house and it's a ranch and a 55-plus like this. And yet she's always talking about having an upstairs. If we had a guest bedroom upstairs, that would really, 42-inch cabinets. And they got a refrigerator here. That doesn't normally come with a house, does it?
Correct, and they did the Big Island with the sink. They've also done gas cooking in here. A lot of our clients like gas cooking, so really well appointed.
And a gas fireplace, and then again, to fit with the modern fit and finish, you got those windows up, you got room for your hutch and your grandma's buffet from home, and wow, man, Rodney, this is like hitting on almost every cylinder.
You know, and it is, Roger, and I'll tell you the thing about Heritage is we're in Indian Trail, North Carolina, and you know, on one side you've got East Independence Boulevard, and on the other side you've got Wesley Chapel, Union County. So there's no shortage of medical facilities, shopping, banking, retail.
I once heard recently Rodney Jones talk about 74, you get everything Uncle John needs. Got a little bit of punch work here, but man, the colors are fantastic.
Fantastic, and I'll tell you, this particular home, Roger, they did a sink and shower combo.
You know, I think, you know, if here's what I'm going to say. Well, I don't want a tub. Yeah. Cool, that's real easy to take out and make a car wash shower there. But guess what? Buying a lot like this, that's something that you can't replace.
You really can. And the 2 biggest feedbacks I get on tubs are the grandkids love it, and I wash my dog in it.
Well, then there's that. Man, I love it. Rodney, this is hitting on all cylinders for me. And having that upstairs bedroom, this is, I mean, that was brilliant that they just did the trusses a little differently, right? Brought that volume up. I'm impressed that you knew that went from 9 to 11. Now, Rodney, a lot of times 2-bedroom homes, people say, well, I don't want a 2-bedroom. Well, it's got a flex. But Rodney, this has got 3 bedrooms and a flex.
3 bedrooms and a flex. And I'll tell you, Roger, this space has become so desirable for a number of reasons. You know, it's my reading room. It's my second office. You know, it's my craft room. It's my YouTube.
Some of your friends might use it as a YouTube channel.
YouTube channel.
That's Rodney's like, guys. If you're followers, you understand.
Some people play classical guitar that might practice in here.
That would be you, wouldn't it?
Correct.
You got a bedroom and a bath up front. So again, how will you use it? Guys, the key is, and Rodney, tell me if I'm right or wrong. You never want to reach out to the builder directly until you have a buyer agent secured. Is that right?
You are correct, Roger, and we can't stress that enough, especially with today's new National Association of Realtors rules in place, so we need to have a conversation.
But is it true that this builder's willing to pay your buyer agent fee?
You know, they are, and that's the good news. Most all of the builders, Roger, that you and I have worked with for a long time are all consistently paying our fee, our commission.
It's amazing. Now, this is smart space. This is over the garage, isn't it?
Correct. We call this a frog here in the Carolinas. A lot of people ask me, what is a frog? And it's a finished room over garage.
Now, see, in real estate school, I learned that to be a family room over garage, but hey, a frog is a frog. A frog is a frog. So this is a big loft area. I love the balusters there. You got a full bath, and then we do a step up into this bedroom. Look at that, man.
Yeah, maybe you have the college student or the high school student not quite ready to leave home yet, and they need their own space. This would be perfect.
Rodney, did I see woods out there?
Premium private wooded home site here.
Well, and so what's a good number to get a hold of you?
Yeah, call me at 704-202-7460. You can call or text 704-202-7460.
Now, here's the beautiful thing about working with my team. We're licensed in North and South Carolina. So if you're downsizing, we can help you. Invite us over to come and see how much your house is worth, what we can get. And Rodney, the timing getting between you selling their house and moving them in, that's kind of critical, right?
It is, you know, and I can help list and sell homes in both North and South Carolina. Hopefully this community and the new homes will work for you, but we've helped a number of people with resale homes as well.
Yeah, it's good. So guys, everybody's got buttons, right? When my wife and I moved 2 years ago, our button was, we got to get out of the cul-de-sac where those kids are driving me bananas. And so we bought like this, a house that was almost done. And we've been doing the 55 plus thing for 2 years. Fantastic. When Rodney gets a little older, he'll qualify for that. But guys, I got a great team. And Rodney's number one, not only on my team, but he's number one in our whole firm of about 100 agents. So you'll have a great experience with Rodney. So you could call me and say, hey, when could Rodney call me back? He's often out with buyers or at closings or at inspections or really servicing his client base. So either way, my number is 704-345-3400. Now, Rodney, again, summarize why this could be a good neighborhood for people.
Yeah, so 55 plus, maintenance-free lifestyle, location with great builders.
All right, man. Thanks so much. See you later.
Go to RHy&x.com.